In this class, we are going to discuss energy equation. Okay, energy equation. It is also called Bernoulli equation. Bernoulli's equation. Remember, there we have derived Bernoulli equation for the liquid. Okay, and that equation we have got from the Euler equation. Euler equation, that is integration of dp by rho plus v into dv plus g into dz is equal to 0, and integration of this one also. Okay, that is the integration. Now these two terms can be integrated very easily, but we cannot integrate because rho is not constant here. Rho is not constant because it is variable. So we cannot take rho outside and integrate. Okay, and another is also there, one point. Another point, if density changes, because compressible flow, if density changes, then pressure also changes. So what we have to do? We have to change this rho in terms of pressure or some another. So this Bernoulli's equation will be different for different process. Okay, different process. Now see here, let us call it as equation 1. From equation 1, if we integrate, it will be dp by rho only, plus this we can write v square by 2 plus g into dz. G into z is equal to constant. Now what we have to do? We have to focus on this part only, that is integration of dp by rho, and that will be different for different process. That I have mentioned here. Bernoulli equation will be different for different process. Okay, from the equation 1 we can call it as, so dp by rho, we cannot take rho outside and we cannot integrate dp because density is not the constant, it is variable. So if density changes, pressure also changes. So we cannot just integrate this one taking rho outside, but we can integrate these two terms. That is v square by 2 plus g into z. Okay, that is constant. Now we have to convert this dp rho for the, let us see, there are so many thermodynamic processes because we are discussing the compressible. So first process, let us see for the isothermal process. Isothermal process is PV is equal to C constant, or it is also called P by rho is equal to constant. Why? Because this volume is a specific volume, meter cube per kg, and density, you know, mass density kg per meter cube. So rho is equal to 1 by V. Okay, so V is equal to 1 by rho. So from this equation now we have to change this rho in terms of P from this equation. So rho will be P by constant, or we can call it as P by C. Okay, now from this equation we can call it as equation 2. So this dp by rho will be equal to, now see, integration of dp by rho is P by C. Okay, and this will be C we can take outside. So it will be dP by P only. So it is equal to C is nothing but C here. C will be equal to P by rho, and this is equal to log base E, that is P2 by P1. Okay, that is log base. So we can call it as, that is log P also we can call it, because this one. Now what we have to do, this one becomes equation, this equation becomes dP by rho. See here, dP by rho is nothing but P by rho, okay, into log base E, that is P, okay. So that is P. Now plus V square by 2 plus G into Z is equal to constant. This is for isothermal process, okay. But remember, this one, if we put G, then what will happen? Dividing by G. So see here G, here also G, and here also G. So this will get cancelled. So for process 1 to 2, we can write, that is P1 by rho 1G log base E P1 plus V1 square by 2G plus Z1 will be equal to P2 by rho 2G into log base E P2 plus V2 square by 2G plus Z2. Okay. So this equation is known as energy equation, for energy equation, or we can call it also as Bernoulli equation for the isothermal process. Okay. So as I told you, Bernoulli equation will be different for different process. So this is for isothermal process. Okay. So energy equation, it is also called second equation. First equation was continuity equation, that we have already derived. So energy equation and Bernoulli equation both are same, one and the same. So Euler equation takes the form dP by rho plus V into dV plus G into dZ is equal to 0. Here rho is not constant because it varies from point to point. So rho outside we cannot take outside and integrate. We cannot do that one. So what will be? Rho changes, then pressure also changes. Okay. So Bernoulli equation will take different for different process. So finally this equation will be integration of dP by rho plus V into dV is nothing but V square by 2 plus Gz plus is equal to constant. Now what we have to do, that is integration of dP by rho. So isothermal process is PV is equal to C and P by rho is equal to C. So rho will be P by C. Now putting the value dP by rho, C will go, and dP by P log base P. So it is P by rho into log P plus V square by 2 plus Gz, okay, constant. This is for process 1 to 2 isothermal. So P1 by rho 1G into log base P1 plus V1 square by 2G plus Z1 is equal to P2 by rho 2G into P2 log base P2 plus V2 square by 2G plus Z2. This is energy equation for the isothermal process. Okay. And for adiabatic process I am going to derive relation in the next class. Thank you.